Hi everybody, my son bought a new camcorder, so I was trying out how his looked next to mine. See if my old one has better quality or if his new one does. So we're gonna try it out. We'll go place them right next to each other and you guys can decide which one you like better. All right, this is the Sony and this is the JVC. So let's plug them in and try them out. Okay, this one close up and the JVC close up. I'm also checking the audio. So tell me which one you think has a better sound quality as well. And we'll be checking on that back and forth. Let me switch the cameras. Here we go. There. Same position, same lighting. Position, same lighting. Which do you like better? Bye-bye.